Hello guys, welcome back to yet another lesson, and in today's lesson we are going to look into how you can get to trade reversals. There are different types of reversals, and I'm going to show you real time into the charts and how I normally take advantage of that to know where the market is about to go to, and of course I get to position myself accordingly. So what I'll just request you for now, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you'll be receiving these daily lessons as I get to share it. You always be notified, and of course just go ahead, put in whatever you're learning in these lessons into the charts, and that way you're going to see some real results. Another thing, for those people who keep asking me each and every time in my inbox, how much do I need in order to start trading, I normally give you a very simple answer. The amount of money that you need to trade with or to start with doesn't matter so long as you have the skills. Nowadays you do understand we have things like Profam. You can just go ahead, you get to pass the evaluation stage whereby you will be funded enough capital for you to manage, and of course there's be that profit split. And trust you me, with the skill you can manage any kind of an amount of money, maybe even $100,000. You are going to just apply for this Profam, and just recommend one of my favorite Profam that I normally trade with, goes by the name, it's called Tradiac. Check it out on the description section, and for them they get to fund you $10,000 for you to manage, and of course their profit split is usually 90, and they get to you get to retain 90 and they are left with 10%. So for now, just allow me to just head into my charts. I get to show you what exactly I'm talking about and how you can get to go about all these with the reversal trades, and what are the chart patterns, candlestick entry patterns that you can get to use, as well as trend lines. Trend lines is one of my favorite way to do my analysis. So for that case, let me just dive into my charts right away. Well, here we are. You do understand I normally trade GBP JPY all the time, and for this case I took a trade in the morning during the London session, and this is what I did. This is the analysis that I got to do. Let me just zoom out this trade so that you get to see you get to see exactly what I did. So my entry is usually at 15 minutes, so it's important for you to pay attention to that. So another important thing for you also to know is that you need to always make sure you always trade with the trend, unless otherwise, like for my case, I've been trading GBP JPY for a while, so I'm more conversant on when to change my position and when to just adjust how I get to trade. So first thing first, I took this trade in the morning. Let me just head to the 15 minutes so that you get to see. I took my profit at around this place before the market got to reverse. Since they were high, I was expecting some high impact news which were yet to be released. As you can see, I always make sure I get to check out how the 4-hour candlestick closes, so that I can also have a good edge on where to place myself. So for the reversal trades, let me just quickly use the 4 hours. So with the 4 hours reversals, whereby you get to trade against the trend. That's what you call reversal, or basically when the market is about to change the direction. So for that case, you can see for this like a scenario like right here, what I normally do, I get to draw my trend lines. First of all, I get to check out my psychological level. Where is my psychological level, as well as has the market really exhausted its way towards a particular direction. For instance, you can see here, I would just highlight this one. This one I would consider it to be a reversal trade, whereby you can see for this case the market was trying to make new lower lows, as well as you can see there were formation of large bearish engulfing candles. These the red candlesticks. This is what I mean by red engulfing candles. And then you can see here, this was a very nice held head and shoulder. It formed head and shoulder, and this where I would just place my trend line like there to show that the market has just broken the neckline. And of course, if you get to narrow down to either 1 hour to 15 minutes, the market could have given me a very nice entry. And if you get to measure this distance from here, for instance, you get to measure this distance from there to there, you can get to you get to duplicate it, and you can see it's going that's the same we can get to have around here. You can see that's the same distance the market got to move from here to here, and that's the same distance the market got to move from here, from the neckline till to that point. Also, as I said, a factor to also to put in place is the psychological level, since those they normally act as resistance as well as support zones. So another reversal situation is whereby you can get to see the market form either double bottom or double tops. Let me see whether we can get one here. You can see these are double bottom. If you get to draw some circles here, let me just draw some circles here. You can see that's a very nice circle right there. You can see that's a very nice double bottom. You can see for that case I saw these, and the market was really struggling to cover this long wick. You can see how many candlesticks the market took in order to complete or to cover this long wick. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then finally if you get to go to lower time frame, this is what we normally call it the falling wedge. And for that case, whenever you get to see this happening, you can just be assured the market is going to reverse and it's going to go the other direction. And you can see that's exactly what happened after the market got to break around there. The market decided to go the other direction. So for that case, I'll just request you to always be taking advantage of those situations whereby you see the market form either falling wedge, rising wedge. We also have the head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder, double bottoms and double tops. Those are very, very good situation for us to keep trading. And I normally request you, if you're a day trader, it's important to always trade in between the sessions where we have some momentum being recognized into the market. So for that case, I normally do my analysis from 4 hours. Just what I just did, I just shown you a simple situations, simple scenarios that you can get always to make track, to have track, and of course that way you get to make money in the long run. So for instance, you can see here how I did this trade, how I did my analysis for this trade. If you get to go to 4 hours, you can see that the market is really the market struggled for a while to just close these. It really struggled to just close these long wick here. It took 1 2 3 4 5 6 until now, still struggling to close this long wick. So for that case, I knew the market, if given the chance to break that trend line right here, and of course the market got to touch this area 3 times. You can see 1 2 3. So the 4th time I was anticipating the market was to break on the downside, and that's exactly what the market did. If you go to 15 minutes, this is exactly what the market did. As you can see right now, I would anticipate this market is just retesting this trend line on 1 hour. You can get to see this. I would anticipate the market is just retesting this zone at 1 hour, then the market to continue to unfold downward. So for this case, I'll just go ahead. If I'm to trade right now, I'll just head into my account, and of course I get to look for selling opportunities. So basically that's how I normally do my analysis. In case you need more clarity about these trades, these charts, talk to me on the comment section, and I'll be happy to take you through the charts during my free time.